Assalamu alaikum. We are gonna make oxtail soup today, and we have a little over 4 pounds of oxtail meat. Initial ingredients are peppercorns, chopped onion, oregano, bay leaves, salt, cumin seeds, garlic. The measurements are just 1 teaspoon of each, and we're going to use 4 bay leaves. Garlic, we are using about 2 to 3 teaspoon heapful. Okay, we have 16 cups or 1 gallon of water, and we placed all our meat in there. And now we're going to put all the ingredients also in there, and we will wait it for boiling. Okay, we are gonna just wait now for it to start boiling, and we're gonna skim all the fat off of on top of it, and we are gonna be boiling it for at least 3 hours. Okay, we cleaned the pot, and we're gonna pour all the strained juices back into the pot. So we are gonna cook everything in this delicious juices. Okay, so this is boiling again, and now we're gonna put some veggies in here. This is about 2 cups of bell pepper, so yeah, we're gonna empty the whole thing. Then we have some potatoes. We have green onion. You can have the regular onion also, doesn't matter. So it's like about half a cup or to 1 cup. And okay, we now have acorn squash. If you don't know acorn squash, this is what it looks like. So we're gonna put this also in there, and now we're gonna leave it for 5 minutes to boil all these vegetables, and then we'll go put some more vegetables in there. Okay, the 5 minutes are done. It's been boiling for 5 minutes, and now I'm gonna add the zucchini, and then I'm gonna boil it for another 3 minutes. Okay, after 3 minutes, we're gonna put this cabbage in there. And after this cabbage is cooked for about 5 minutes, we're gonna put the rest of the veggies in there. Okay, we have to check on all of our vegetables so that they don't overcook. If they overcook, you need to take them out. But still, they're not done yet, so. Okay, I just checked the potatoes. They need a little bit more time, like about 3 more minutes, I guess. And once these are done, I'll check after 3 minutes. Then the soup is done. Okay, we are gonna put 1 heaping tablespoon full of each of these tomato paste and pepper paste. So they look like something like this. Okay, this is the final look of the soup.